When you go looking for an open neutral, sometimes you find this. 10 junction boxes, all hidden in the attic. Every wire color you can imagine. Every code violation possible. This is what happens after 30 years of DIY heroes. And my cousin knows electrical work. And somewhere inside this mess is the open neutral. Finding the open neutral here is like searching for a single hair in a haystack. One wrong move, and you're back to square one. So where would you start? Box 1? Box 10, or would you just walk away? Ever grabbed a live cable and your hand wouldn't let go? I touched a live 380-volt connector. My fingers closed around it and locked. I couldn't release it. The current hit so hard my whole arm froze. I held that cable for 2 or 3 seconds, long enough to kill me. Luckily, my other hand was free. I managed to rip my hand away before it was too late. Did I just get my second birthday, or just a burned hand? Electricians, what's your take? Comment below. If you ever see an electrician doing this, run. You need to hear this if you're an electrician. Somebody actually wrapped a ground wire around their boot. It looks like a safety trick. It's not, and it's dangerous. A bright arc, a scorched boot. Someone filmed it and called it a safety hack. Static discharge, personal grounding, DIY anti-shock hack, an electrician's ankle monitor. Online, everyone had their own theory, and none of them were good. None of those are right. A ground wire tied to your boot is not a safety device, a twisted grounding wire around an ankle. In reality, this does absolutely nothing for safety. It's not grounding, it's not protection, it's just dangerous. Electricity doesn't go through the wire because you tied it to your shoe. Grounding systems work when properly connected to a panel connection, a grounding rod, a bonded grounding system. A loose wire on a shoe, it doesn't reliably conduct. It can arc, it can heat, it can turn your footwear into a fuse or burn source. Even worse, it creates a false sense of security. You might take risks because you think you're protected. That's when bad things happen. The right move is simple. De-energize. Use rated PPE. Maintain grounding per code. Never improvise with a personal ground wire. Electricians, what do you think this guy was trying to do? Drop your best theory in the comments. Best explanation wins. If you see sketchy work, stop the job and report it. Tiny spark. Fade to black.